Hey guys, and welcome to a new tutorial with me, Luca. Today we're gonna go over something quick and easy, but pretty impactful. So, what is it? It's the chatbot. The chatbot allows you two things. The first thing is you can create an automated message shown in the stream each X seconds, minimum 60 seconds. And the second thing is you can create commands, and to these commands there will be answers in the chat by the chatbot. I will explain and show both scenarios so you guys understand. But this is very, very simple to set up. First, you click here on the sidebar on the chatbot, which will then open up this beautiful panel, which includes two things. Once we have the auto message, and second we have the commands. First, for the auto message, you can enable and disable it. You can set the interval in seconds. The minimum time is 60 seconds. You cannot set it to fast, like shorter times, like 10 seconds. If you set it to 50 and wait a couple of seconds, it's going to turn back to 60. And then the second part is the automated message that you want to send. As an example, look at this is my merch site, or follow me on Instagram, stuff like that. The important thing is that you cannot use this feature to advertise for donations outside of YouNow. This is not allowed on YouNow. You will lose your partnership or get banned and also get removed by this feature. So please don't use this tool to advertise for other websites, or not other websites, like sending donations through other tools rather than like sending pearls and bars or gifts on YouNow. That's the serious talk. Now let's come to the fun part. Let's put here like test 1, 2, 3. This is an auto message. And then we can save that. And then I will show you guys the result afterwards. And then here in the commands, you can see you can create commands for moderators and subscribers, for just subscribers, or for everyone. And then you can set commands. It doesn't have to start with an exclamation mark. I just like doing it so people know it's a command. Exclamation mark merch as an example. And then the bot message could be, this is my merch page. And then you have www.merch.com, something like that, I don't know. And then you can add and update it. And then if you are like, oh, I misspelled something, you can click here on the edit button, and then you can change it to, like, say merch 2, and then you click here add update comment, and it's gonna update it. And then once you're done, don't click cancel, don't click escape, please press the save button, which is then gonna show you success and it saved everything. Now, if we go over here to this stream, this is my testing stream, and we type in this chat exclamation mark merch, wait a couple seconds because it has to go to the server, send the message, and then come back, and then we have here, this is my merch page. So that's really awesome. And then also every 60 seconds it should trigger the automated message. That should be all good. I think we put it to 60 seconds. Let's see how long it will take to actually send the message. If not, we will end the video here, and I will see you guys the next time, so we don't have to wait for this message. The auto message should work too, don't you worry. I wish you guys the best. I hope you enjoy the feature, and and you use it with caution, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye.